welcome to Crystal Display. My name is Crystal, and this is
Matt Mar from Scheme Boys.
So today we're going to talk about how to survive a long-distance relationship. So, otherwise called an LDR. Sorry.
People we are shoot from outside, so you know, kind of have nature upon itself. So we are battle against nature right now. The place kind of look dark. We don't know if rain go fall. If rain fall, we still not move. We're not afraid of water. But continue.
Back to my point. Anyways, I'm gonna give my point of view, and he's gonna give his point of view. You want to start?
No, you start.
Alright, fine. We start.
Me a ladies gentleman.
Since when?
All the time.
So I think. But anyway, so first of all, my first point of view is communication. I mean, you have to communicate to keep that connection. Because if you don't communicate, no bond. It's like a gas without. It's like a car without gas, though. So you have to communicate. Your point of view.
Alright, men me talk for not all of it, but most of it are the ones who can relate to me. Right? Communication a key, yes. Communication important, yes. Sometimes communication hard, whereas when you're the only one way I talk. Communication is something happen between two people. Not one person sit down and shake them head while the next one talk. And when them run out of stuff, you say, the quiet one blame the other one and say, why you don't talk to me no more? Yo, communication. Yeah, man, laugh. Communication is important, right?
Let you speak.
She has a car without gas, but if you not have a driver to bring the car to a destination, a car with gas still not gonna wait, right?
No, but I mean, it's like that keep the connection, even though you're far away. That keep the connection. If you don't communicate, what are you gonna know about the person? How
yeah, but you have a thing what them call effective communication. Me and you communicate, you know. We can communicate. When me and you argue is a communication that too, you know, a form of communication. So, me not go assume and say the general public know what we are talking about. Me not go say that.
So my second point of view is trust. Yes, it's difficult. Martha look for me like that. Yeah, it's difficult because I mean you're far away from the one that you love. You don't know what they're doing. You can't see them. But at the end of the day, you need to develop some form of trust so that the relationship can work. Put your point on that.
People say she laugh.
Come on, you're gonna say something, lad. You're gonna say something, but anyway.
Trust a heavy topic to backside.
Yes, it is.
Here what it is. That a push more weight than a heavy lifter too. Cause here what? The whole issue of trust, and I want a simple thing to talk about. One, trust once it broken, no. As a matter of fact, I'm not gonna say it's easy to come back, easy to come back and not gonna be the same. That's the first thing. Second thing, once one speck of doubt drop in your relationship, your trust will go up on the line and tell in a jeopardy. Right? Your own friends can come in and cause your trust to drop like a bomb.
True.
It's not pretty, right? Third thing, if you're female, tend to always have friends around or worse or other female, and you know female to female talk tend to end.
How it ends?
Trust, boy. She go tell us, I have a friend. Where they go through the same city, we always not no go so, you know. Them have a friend. Zine, them have a friend. Tell me say I don't know. Anyways, them have a friend who go through the same situation there. Even when them it not go so, them might tell you something. Sometimes your own friends them cause your relationship. Sometimes your friends them can be either jealous of you.
Even your family.
Yeah man, even your family.
Money to that boy. Family.
Alright. Anyways, so you have to be careful when it comes to trust.
Yeah.
The easiest way, as we are going to go back to communication, you have to communicate with your partner, you have to know your partner. You have to know what your partner will do and will not do. Yeah. Right? Sometimes, them we straight, them human. So expect a certain errors and trust me. Men, sometimes we need some physical connection. And she just this so far, sometimes we just drop. And I really say, well, one for drop, we just drop. And then the females, them might look from freedom point of view.
Emotional support.
Right? So, you can give a female emotional support over Skype. Right? Should we always, and should we get everything she want from you. Except, you know, women are really
That physical.
crazy over the physical. Them no more into the physical
You can
like
survive
men.
longer, really.
Yeah, damn right, you
than
can
male.
survive. I don't know no woman do it, you know, man. Right?
We don't
So,
know. We have
we
things
need
occupy-
physical contact.
We have things occupying our minds, so we don't have time for
And
that.
every woman have physical
Well,
things
me-
occupying their mind. Some woman just as bad as man, we love sex. Every minute if they not get it from the man, they sitting around. Man, they left the man.
That's some
See?
women.
That's something, man, but me, I just tell you how it go.
We're just being real, people.
Yo,
It
scheme
is.
boy raw, you know, people. You know, when I hide nothing from
Hello,
the
it's
general, you
not
know.
scheme boys. This
Man, I
is
said
crystal
it.
display.
And that's how we are giving them a clear view, man.
Anyways, so you know your point now.
My point? Here. People show enough interest, right? You're in a long distance relationship. Your partner easy if he just accuse you of not giving enough, not showing enough interest. For instance, you are the last face them see when them a go in bed, or the first face them a see when them wake up. Yet still, just because them not see you in between certain time intervals, them a say you not give enough.
Well, I mean, some females they like to see the person they like or love every time. I
Be
mean,
understanding, be
yes,
compassionate. The
some-
man have a life too.
Yes, I get that, but I'm just saying that's how some females are.
Yeah, that are some females, right?
So it's up to you guys to make compromise, really.
And everybody can make compromise.
Yeah,
so
me
easy.
know,
The way
it's
me
not
say
everyone.
make compromise and make it sound so easy like a head.
I didn't say it was easy, but I'm just saying if you want it to work, you compromise.
Well,
That's
true,
what I'm saying.
but not everybody willing to give up something to make something work. Because I'm gonna say,
Well, they want to stay
if
lonely.
you really love me, you will not do that. I've seen it a lot, man. Right?
Next point.
No, we're not done yet.
You're not done.
No, we're not done yet. Me have to get time to gather the thoughts, you know.
Hello, oh for sure.
Yeah, sure, me not
Am I not
outstar
the-
you.
am I not
Oh,
the
sorry.
host?
Alright, do your thing.
Sure. Anyways, so the next point is gift giving, I guess. I mean,
I
that
see that whole gift giving thing there. Men, and for we, and for them, may I tell you, right?
kind of.
Women love sweets.
No, it's just that to us it shows that you care about us
Sweets.
and that you really,
Sweet.
kind of love us. It's not
Watch out now. So you tell me, say, me I'll turn and look for you.
Yes.
So you tell me, say, if me sell you, if me send you, right?
You don't have to be nothing expensive.
Yeah, damn right. And bam bam, you're good.
No.
Oh, you see? You see? You see what she know want wait.
That's
Sorry,
a
wait.
sweetie. Who wants sweetie? Unless, alright. You
no.
know what would be nice? If, for example,
It's so expensive already.
listen up. If, for example, I like chocolate.
See,
you
it's
buy
so
me a box of
expensive.
chocolate. No.
Your chocolate expensive out here. No?
Hello, them sell cheap chocolate out here.
What? You want a Hershey? No, me send you a Bobby. I-10. That you work with that?
No.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you know, say you want chocolate and cheap chocolate.
Hello,
work
something
with a Bobby.
nice.
Bobby nice.
All I know is you have to put effort into what you
You want a Snicker?
Yeah, more sneaker.
That expensive too, you know, work with a Bobby.
It's cheap, like. Anyways, you know, next point. I run at a point now.
I can't run out a point, you know. Woman, me attack against, you know, I can't.
Oh yeah, targets.
When I time I just pick up for someone, man, them although me no love man, you see, but me just tired for hear the woman them. Dying fear the woman them always a go on a bash the man them and the same idiot man them a jump up on the woman them bandwagon. Like them not a sense, you see it. But here, everything good, man. Men, no one no word, no one no place. And
Same for women.
That make one look idiot girl cause and pum pum make you turn idiot.
Hello.
Yo, me not telling
Same
like,
for women.
Tap nice man and come out of
As
my
in,
spotlight.
Don't make some idiot boy come treat you like you're nothing.
Yeah, see me say your people
Just know
ain't
that
call me
you're
full
worth
Jamaican
it.
boy. People, you have some family where, what you call it, and a racist. Them country is. Zine, if me come from Jamaica, and cause fear people them come from Jamaica but them turn British, let me give you, they're British, you know, so I'm too local for her.
No, you're not local.
Everybody knows I'm in a local.
How long we
Talk
know
to
you?
me. Anyways, I'm too local for her, so they're like,
I don't know what they want, but I know what
showers
I
a blessing,
want.
man. Showers a blessing.
All I
If
know
you rain
is-
come down and wet her up, the only thing I affect her ear.
My ear get affected.
Oh yeah, man, my name. My ear when it get wet, it lie down.
Anyways, next point is acceptance.
Well,
know?
woman hard for accept things, you know. See? Yeah, look pa me, you know.
Anyways, speak up, man.
Yeah, we know say rain a come, man. Rain a come.
Speak up.
Showers a blessing. See it there? Rain all a fall. True word, me I go say next, you know.
Can you hurry up? Come. The show almost done.
You know that kind of thing, make your points. You just elaborate.
Hello,
on them.
you already said assurance, though.
This is
Alright, fine.
acceptance.
Assurance, acceptance, same thing. Anyway,
Same difference, man.
assurance as in, you know, that you really love me, blah blah blah. You know.
But if me talk to you, me tell you every day, every
It's
night,
not-
24/7, it will get stale.
Me not talk about us, me I say
Oh, me not talk
some
about
women
us.
don't believe that. And
Some, yeah, no found a woman where a man bend over back way and call up him one. Me not go too graphic with it, but you understand what I mean. Some man who want too much. All when the man a give you don't know what the man go through fear give the assurance then, but when the man do give it, you don't want it. You want to sit where the next woman a get. Right? For instance, boom. Me come to you and me have $200, me give you all of my $200. You don't want that, cause it's not enough. But you know, me I give you everything I'm having in my pocket. Now you see a next man with $10,000 and he give you $2,000 and you jump up for joy for that because you know what? You get more than what me couldn't afford, but you not look upon it. If me can look upon the
you're
female
looking
and
at the
say,
worth of it.
if me
basically.
can say me can give you everything in my pocket and everything in my name,
Yeah.
to show you some love you, and that nigga can only take out $2,000 out of him, $10,000, left him back with whole of $8,000. That man they look by you and say,
You're not worth it. So
I
women
really
know
say
your
no worth
worth.
it, but in Japan at a lower value than where
Yeah,
everything
so I'm
else.
saying you need to know your worth.
Him still value you know, but he just step on the lower ranks of things. Him put himself and everything else above you. He might talk and tell you the sweetest thing. You come like when you spray perfume on an ugly person. You can't, it's hard to look on them, but the smell captivate you.
You know you can't talk. Jesus, you can't remember give it 7 points.
Alright, say your point now. Style,
Anyways,
style, man.
so you just need acceptance, as in, you know, assurance of your love for the person. I don't know, gift giving, as we said before, saying it, because some people don't say it. So how you gonna know? And some other people, they have issues with, I don't know, previous relationships. So because of that, if they find it difficult to believe the person that they're with at the moment. So I mean, you just need to build some connection to yeah. Stop looking at me like that, not sure. Like you know, have nothing to say.
You don't tell me, say me talk too much.
It's true.
Oh, really? And I'm the one who keep on and give points and me elaborate on the points, innit?
Am I not?
Last point, people, is forgiveness. I forgive you.
For what? I didn't do anything.
You see what me I talk about? Men, when them start bitch and moan and they just look on and say, baby, I forgive you.
Please.
See, yeah, sometimes you just have to apologize even when you don't do nothing wrong.
No, it's same for
I am
women.
sorry.
Same for women.
I
Sometimes
forgive you.
Same for women, because sometimes we apologize, and just because we don't always get upset, so we just apologize.
And
though.
every woman,
not all
99% of women, them tend to play the blame game and point finger. I hear fault. You're just one of the few rare cases them, so you can't use yourself and
But
put
I
it against the world.
apologize sometimes. So.
Yeah, well, that's any.
Yeah. So anyways, you don't talk. Yeah. So this is the end of the show. I hope you like it. This is Martel from Scheme Boys. Please subscribe to him. Subscribe to my channel as well, and also subscribe to my video camera crewman.
People, when don't go to JTTV now. When
JTTV.
don't go to JT. When don't go there now. Alright, big up on yourself still. I talk too much. Lay off for me.
No, don't make me start in that.
I forgive you, man. I forgive you.
Alright, people, bye.
Trap, 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 trap.